of aircraft has got 4 emergency exits. 2 are located at the forward of the cabin, 2 at the rear. In case of power failure or smoke in the cabin, and evacuation is ordered, the emergency path lighting will appear like this. This will lead you to your nearest exit. The cabin has now been pressurized for your comfort. Should the pressure drop, oxygen mask looking like this will drop automatically from the white panels above your heads. You see this mask appear, should remain seated. Pull it sharply from its receptor. Cover your mouth and nose. Pass the elastic band around your head to keep the mask in position. It will be the action of pulling down the mask that releases the oxygen supply. An extra mask has been provided for those traveling with an infant. Attend to yourself first before helping others. Ensure that infants under your care are attended to. On every seat, a seatbelt has been provided. Fasten the seatbelt clip in the buckle like this and adjust to fit. To open, lift the buckle as shown by the crew. Seatbelts must be fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are due. Eliminate. Ladies and gentlemen, should now demonstrate the use of your life jackets for those traveling in the economy. Your life jackets found beneath your seats. For those traveling in the premium, your life jacket is also found beneath your seats. If required, remove it from its container or pull it over your head. Pass the elastic straps around your waist, clipping in the fasteners, and pull the straps to fit. To inflate, pull sharply the red toggles. If the jacket fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into the attached tubes. The jacket has a light to attract attention at night. Pull this tab when in contact with the water. It is essential that you do not inflate your life jacket inside the aircraft. Finally, in the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety information leaflet looking like this. This gives you details of the emergency equipment carried on board and how to operate them. We do request that you have a look at it before we depart. If you're comfortable seated, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Seatbelts are fully upper position and the tables are folded ready for departure. Thank you.